Stop driving on dangerous tires. I've tested the top-rated digital pressure gauges to find the one tool that could save your life and your wallet. You might think all gauges are created equal, but after spending weeks testing these 7 different models on everything from heavy-duty truck tires to delicate road bike tubes, I can tell you that is definitely not the case. Let's get into it. 7. AWELTEC MQB9OQUOP. When I first unboxed this unit, the design felt familiar. It sports that classic ergonomic handle shape that many budget gauges use. It claims to handle up to 150 psi and offers 4 different settings: psi, bar, kPa, and kilograms centimeter squared. On paper, it looks like a decent contender for a glove box backup. I took it out to test on my sedan's front tires, which I keep strictly at 32 psi. The digital display is backlit, which is a standard feature these days, but it does help when you are checking pressures in a dimly lit garage. However, the user experience started to show some cracks once I actually tried to get a reading. The nozzle on this AWELTEC unit is a bit finicky. When I pressed it onto the valve stem, I had to apply a very specific amount of force at a perfect angle to get it to seal. If I was off by even a few degrees, air would hiss out aggressively and the gauge would struggle to lock onto a number. It's frustrating when you are just trying to get a quick check before a commute and you end up letting more air out than you're measuring. Another issue I noticed during my testing was the build quality. The plastic housing feels incredibly lightweight, and not in a good portable way, but rather in a fragile way. It lacks that reassuring density you want in a tool that might get tossed around in a trunk. 6. HYVOHEX T200. This gauge steps things up slightly with a promised range of up to 200 psi, which is impressive for a handheld unit. It's marketed towards cars, trucks, and motorcycles, and it features a visual LED display with a backlight. One thing I initially liked was the inclusion of AAA batteries, which are much easier to source than the coin cells in the AWELTEC. The device feels a little more substantial in the hand, and the grip design is adequate for keeping a hold of it, even if your hands are greasy. I tested the HYVOHEX on my SUV, which runs higher pressures, to see how it handled the upper range. The first thing I noticed was the 360-degree rotating valve feature. In theory, this is great because it allows you to view the display regardless of where the valve stem is located on the wheel. However, in practice, the rotation on this specific unit felt incredibly loose. Instead of staying in the position I set it to, the head would flop around under the weight of the device, making it annoying to line up. Accuracy was another area where I had some mixed results. While it generally got within 1 to 2 psi of my calibrated shop gauge, I noticed a lag in the reading. When I pressed it to the valve, the numbers would jump around for a solid 2 seconds before settling. On 2 occasions, I had to reset the device because it froze on a reading and wouldn't zero out for the next tire. 5. ETENWOLF T300 Plus. This is where we start seeing tools that feel like they were designed by people who actually use them. The T300 Plus boasts a pressure range of 3 to 200 psi and claims industrial-level accuracy. Right out of the box, the difference is palpable. The matte finish and the solid construction make it feel like a serious piece of equipment rather than a toy. I tested the ETENWOLF on a variety of tires, including my truck, which requires 60 psi. The standout feature here is the use of standard AAA batteries, which are included. This might seem minor, but knowing I can grab replacements from any gas station is a huge peace of mind. The battery compartment is secure, and the overall ergonomics are fantastic. It fits naturally in the palm, and the nozzle angle is just right for reaching into wheel wells without scraping your knuckles. The display on the T300 Plus is fantastic. It's a bright LED that cuts through darkness and is surprisingly visible even in direct sunlight. During my testing, the AI chip inside seemed to do its job. The readings were almost instant. There was no hunting for numbers or waiting for the screen to settle. I pressed it to the valve, and boom, the pressure was there, clear and crisp. Another thing I appreciated was the seal. Unlike the previous 2 models, the ETENWOLF nozzle creates a tight, leak-free connection with very little effort. I didn't have to wrestle with the valve stem or listen to the hiss of escaping air. 4. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 0 to 150 psi. You've probably seen this one around. It's one of the best-selling gauges online, and after testing it, I can see why. It covers the standard 0 to 150 psi range, which is perfect for 99% of passenger vehicles. The design is sleek, silver, and extremely comfortable to hold, thanks to the ergonomic non-slip grip texture. My experience with the AstroAI was seamless from start to finish. I used it to check the tires on my motorcycle, where access to the valve stem can be a bit tight. The lighted nozzle is a brilliant feature. It's a small LED that shines right at the tip of the gauge, illuminating the valve stem so you aren't fumbling around in the dark. It made checking my bike's tires in a dimly lit parking garage incredibly easy. The accuracy was spot on. I compared it against my master gauge, and the AstroAI was consistently within 0.1 psi. The simple one-button operation is intuitive. Press to turn on, press to switch units, hold to turn off. It's foolproof. The display is large and backlit with a pleasant blue hue that is easy on the eyes. I also really like the trigger style shape. It feels natural to hold, and your thumb rests perfectly on the button. The seal on the valve was excellent. It locked on immediately and gave a reading in under a second. It just works exactly how you expect it to, with zero drama or fuss. 3. SAFELIFE 8542044754. This thing is a beast. If the other gauges are civilian vehicles, this one is a tank. It's designed specifically with heavy-duty use in mind, featuring a dual-head chuck that is essential for checking the inner dual wheels on dually trucks or RVs. The construction is a mix of stainless steel and brass, giving it a weight and durability that blows the plastic competition out of the water. I tested the SAFELIFE on a friend's RV, and the dual head was a lifesaver. You can push or pull onto the valve stem, which makes reaching those awkwardly positioned inner valves much easier. The range goes up to a massive 230 psi, so it can handle semi-truck tires without breaking a sweat. The handle has a rubberized shock-absorbing cover that feels great to hold and protects the unit from drops. The display is large, clear, and backlit. What I loved most was the stability of the reading. When you are dealing with high-pressure tires, you don't want a gauge that fluctuates. The SAFELIFE locked onto the pressure and held it on the screen even after I removed it from the valve, allowing me to bring the gauge up to my face to read it comfortably. It also features a built-in flashlight, which is separate from the lighted nozzle. This is practically a necessity for truckers or RV owners who might be doing maintenance at a rest stop in the middle of the night. 2. Foval Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This tiny tool surprised me with just how good it is. It proves that you don't need to be the biggest or the most expensive to be effective. The Foval is compact, fitting easily into a pocket or a small center console compartment, but it punches well above its weight class in terms of performance. During my testing, the Foval stood out for its incredible simplicity and speed. I used it on my mountain bike and my wife's car. The nozzle design is fantastic. It creates an instant seal with almost zero effort. The blue backlit LCD is sharp and high contrast, making the numbers pop. It has the standard 4 settings, and the single-button interface is responsive and clicky. What puts the Foval so high on my list is the ergonomics combined with the value. The shape is perfectly contoured to the hand, with a non-slip grip that feels rubberized and premium. It feels secure, even when my hands were wet from washing the car. The lighted nozzle is also present here, and it's bright enough to guide you to the valve stem in pitch black conditions. The readings were consistent and repeatable. I checked the same tire 5 times in a row, and the Foval gave me the exact same number every single time. That consistency is rare in budget-friendly digital gauges. It shuts off automatically after 30 seconds to save the battery, which is a nice touch. 1. Topeak SmartGauge D2. This is the gold standard. While Topeak is known for cycling gear, this gauge is a phenomenal tool for any vehicle, and it offers features that simply outclass the competition. The crowning feature of the SmartGauge D2 is the Smart Head, which rotates 180 degrees. Unlike the loose head on the number 6 product, this one clicks firmly into place and stays there. This allows you to position the display exactly where you need it, regardless of where the valve stem is. But the real game changer, the reason it's number 1, is the air bleed valve. I tested this on my car, where I intentionally overinflated the tires to 38 psi. With the SmartGauge D2 connected, I could watch the pressure reading in real time while pressing the yellow air bleed button to release air. I tapped the button until the display hit exactly 32 psi. No other gauge on this list lets you fine-tune pressure with this level of precision. Usually, you have to measure, remove, let air out, and measure again. The Topeak lets you dial it in perfectly in one go. The versatility is unmatched. It has a toggle switch to go between Presta and Schrader valves instantly, making it the only gauge you need for your high-end road bike and your pickup truck. It reads up to 250 psi, the highest on our list, meaning it can handle literally anything. The unit is compact, feels dense and high quality, and the CR2032 battery lasts forever. Outro. So there you have it. From the budget-friendly backups to the precision instruments that put you in total control. If you want the absolute best experience, I cannot recommend the Topeak SmartGauge D2 enough. That bleed valve changes everything. But if you need something heavy-duty for a truck, the SAFELIFE is the way to go.